Got this 2011 Chevrolet Suburban, and I'm working on a power steering replacement. It's already in place, but I wanna share with you what to do and what not to do on this. This power steering pump was trying to be taken up by the customer and end up being more complicated than it used to be. He didn't have the right tools, so look at this. This is what happened to it, because basically the tools, the right tools make the work right. So, in knowing how to basically use the tools also, because you can have the tools and you don't know how to operate it, and you're gonna create a bigger problem, just like this. So our steering pump has 3 bolts. Has this one, has that one right there. I don't know if you can see it right there, and it has this one here. Then you have that one in the back, and then you have the hose, the high pressure hose, which is this line right here, and the low pressure hose is still disconnected, but that's very easy. That's just had this clamp on there, and it goes in like that. So see, this hose is already dry. So that's basically how you remove the power steering pump. The pulley have to be taken out first. Once you take the pulley off, you can take the rest of the stuff off, and that will make the work a lot easier. Like I say, 3 bolts in the front, 1 bolt in the back there, this one, and the hose. That's it. So that's how I do it. Thanks a lot for watching, and share this video if you have somebody that need it, or if you're in Houston, we can come out to you. We do the work for you, and we can get you back on the road. Thanks.